Millie, you stay. Hey.
How are you?
Good.
So last night I was going to drive and I just got tired in the morning. It seemed to get even flatter. So
Okay,
I
no
figured
problem.
that's-
Yeah, it might be it might just need to be plugged. I have abilities to plug the tire. If you want to avoid going to the shop, I'll take a look at it. But it is an upcharge.
That's
but
okay. I mean, I'll just you can just charge it. I made an appointment already.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
fine.
so
That's
I'll-
fine.
It's too freaking cold to be out here.
Gotcha. Okay. No problem. Yeah. I just want to make sure
The spare right there.
everything's in here. Oh
Yeah.
yeah, perfect. All right.
It's actually more okay. Good. I haven't looked at that
Yeah.
spare in years. So.
Yeah, you're welcome to wait inside if you'd like. Totally up to you. This is neatly packed in here, which is good. All right, let's do this. First ever tire change. I just don't know how to get this out of here. This is a full tire. There we go. Like that. Yep. Okay, that worked. All right. Wow, look at all those tools. That's pretty cool that the car comes with that. Okay. This feels pretty full for once, but we'll check it. Impact. Sockets. Alright. No locking lug nuts, which is fantastic. Pretty small. Maybe 17. Yep. Okay. It is slippery, so I gotta be really careful. Grab our jack. Gosh, this thing is so heavy. Car's just a little too low at its current spot, so may have to do this. Oh, it's in my toolbox. All right. I'm just gonna use this to lift it a little bit. It was just slightly too low for my big jack, so I'm gonna use this to just get it a little bit.
Oh, because I think I know why.
It's probably because the tires
the tire's
flat.
low, and also the air suspension has an air suspension.
Oh,
In cold weather, it sinks to the ground. If it were like 10 degrees, the whole car would be on the ground.
really?
I gotta get it fixed, but it does rise when you start it.
Wow. No problem. All right. Take that out.
Maybe I could have driven it a couple miles, but it seemed pretty low.
Yeah, that is very low. Let me grab my wheel chucks. Might be trying to slide on the ice. My box. Nope, there. You guys couldn't tell, I'm still learning how to. Still learning where everything is inside this. Okay. All right. We'll jump. Oops. And the customer didn't see, right? All right. Okay. I really like that system, having it all like this. It's kind of how my car is, but set that down. Get this bad boy in. Okay. And the tires seem to have air in it, so this car looks pretty new. Or, well, not like a newer model, but my torque sticks. down. Oh, not all the way. Gotta get this back in there. So that I can get the jack out. It's an interesting system, I've never used it. Alright. Tire pressure looks good for once. Never thought my first job would be a good tire pressure. All right. Gosh, they weren't kidding about these jacks and how heavy they are. I'll probably have to upgrade to an aluminum one eventually. I just didn't want to pay for it, honestly. They're so expensive. What's that?
I didn't realize this is a full-size spare.
I didn't either, man. You've got a full-size spare in the back of your car. Although it is still technically a spare, you know.
Yeah.
So.
Alright, so I can't tell if you couldn't see it as a nail here, but I'll just come look.
Okay.
Nothing obvious.
Yeah.
Alright.
They'll get you taken care of. Nope, I think we're good to go.
Right,
Appreciate it.
very much.
Thank you so much. And if you don't mind, we have educational videos. Is it okay if we use the video from
Yeah,
this?
sure.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Alright. Just like that, another call down. This is the Roadside Responders, and that's Millie. Thank you for watching.